Good evening, everyone, and welcome back to the channel as we are downhill to the next official weekend of May 16th, 2024. CN Hayes here. It is the top of the 2100 hour as I am coming to you from Ladysmith, Wisconsin, along the Canadian National's Superior Sub Main, near the south end of Ladysmith Yard, at milepost 353.37, with a quick little video lined up for you. Currently have power on standby, including the two that were on an extra that showed up yesterday. So I thought for sure that it would have been the X345, but it really was not. I did find out that it was actually X345 that came up from Fond du Lac that had a string of boxcars in tow to be put in storage on the Bradley Sub Main. And doing the honors from that evening, I'm sure I'll show that to you when I get it uploaded for you. And I will also make the correction of the symbol in the description below when that is done. Currently I have a Solo SD60 here. I think it might have been assigned for 519. Might have been that one. I think it could have been either 5466 or 5407. I don't know which one is there at this time. It's currently shut down now, as none of the platform lights or the number board lights are on at this time. And to the left of that, behind that post there, was the power that was used on the X345 and X519 yesterday. It was the ET44AC of the 3261 and the C6M rebuild of the 3337 of the second batch of the C6M rebuilds that were done last year. Behind that is a pair of SD75Is that are separated well away from that. Currently sitting there is SD75Is 5692 and the 5744. If I remember right, 5692 was once assigned on the 519 a few years back. No surprise to see that back here since. I might have seen it on other different occasions, but either way. Currently stop indications at this time, so I don't think there's any activity at the moment, but that could change though. But other than that, no harm. So that is going to do it for the quick video of what we see here at the south end of Ladysmith Yard in Ladysmith, Wisconsin. And that is going to do it for this video for tonight. Thanks for watching, everybody. You have a great evening. I'll see you next time, and I hope I will see you along the main line. CN Hayes out.